Turning $1,000 into $10,000 in the US market sounds exciting, but let's be real, it's not magic, and it's definitely not instant. If you've seen people online promising quick 10 times gains, take that with caution. In this video, we're breaking down a realistic, smart, and strategic path to potentially grow $1,000 into $10,000 using proven investing principles. This isn't about gambling. It's about making calculated moves and staying consistent. First, understand what 10 times actually means. You're aiming for a 1,000% return. That's a big goal, and it usually takes time. Even some of the best investors in the world don't hit that overnight. So the mindset here is crucial. You're not chasing quick wins. You're building momentum. Patience and discipline will matter more than anything else. Now let's talk strategy. One of the most powerful ways to grow your money is by investing in high-growth stocks. These are companies operating in industries with massive future potential, like artificial intelligence, clean energy, or advanced technology. The goal is to find businesses that are growing fast, increasing revenue, and disrupting their industries. Instead of spreading your $1,000 across 20 stocks, focus on a few strong opportunities, around 3 to 5 stocks you truly believe in. This concentration increases your upside potential, but remember, it also increases risk. So our research is everything. Another approach is using growth-focused ETFs. These funds give you exposure to multiple companies in a single investment, which helps reduce risk. While ETFs alone may not turn $1,000 into $10,000 quickly, they can provide stability to your portfolio while you take calculated risks elsewhere. Think of them as your foundation, steady, diversified, and reliable over time. If you want to accelerate your growth, you can explore swing trading. This strategy involves buying stocks at the right time and selling them after short-term gains, typically 20% to 50%.